In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark a mail in Gmail. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for keeping track of important emails that you want to access quickly. Let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step guide on how you can easily bookmark your emails in Gmail. First off, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're in the one where the email you wish to bookmark is located. This is essential to keep all your work organized and avoid any unnecessary confusion later on. Next, it's all about finding the email you want to bookmark. Use the search bar at the top of the Gmail interface to help locate a specific message or browse through your inbox or any other folder where the email might be stored. This step is important because Gmail can sometimes house hundreds of emails, and using the search function can save you a significant amount of time. When you've found the email you'd like to bookmark, the next thing you need to do is open it. Once the email is open, you'll see a toolbar at the top with various icons. Look for the star icon in this toolbar. Clicking on this star icon is effectively bookmarking your email. The star will change color, signaling that the email has been successfully bookmarked. This is a simple but effective way to flag important messages. If you need to access your bookmarked emails in the future, you can click on the starred folder in the left-hand sidebar of your Gmail screen. This folder aggregates all emails you've marked, making it easy to find them without digging through a pile of old messages. It's a handy trick for anyone looking to keep their emails organized and easily accessible. Additionally, Gmail offers the ability to use multiple colors of stars or different symbols if you wish to create a more nuanced system of organization. You can manage these options by going into your Gmail settings, selecting the General tab, and scrolling to the Stars section. You can drag and drop different star colors or symbols to customize your preference, which can be particularly useful if you have a lot of emails you want to categorize even further. And there you have it. Bookmarking an email in Gmail is as simple as starring the message, and it's an excellent way to keep your inbox tidy and your important emails at your fingertips. I hope this tutorial provides clarity and helps streamline your email management process. Make sure to try it out and let me know how it works for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.